These kind of authentic videos are what YouTube used to be about many years ago, but now there is like a return to the old style of YouTube. It has started in 2024, 2023, but now it has exploded and it's getting a lot of views, and it doesn't require a lot of editing, it doesn't require a lot of effort, it doesn't require a lot of equipment. You can use this as well. Here is a YouTuber that is using it called Sam Sulek. He's a bodybuilder and he does videos where he just talks in the car. He's driving to the gym, or he's doing his workout in between sets, or he's just flexing and or he's even at home and he's just eating and he's just talking to you. But what you need is you need to provide value in the video. You need to be special. You need to have some kind of skill or something that you're teaching. Sam Sulek, he's good at bodybuilding, so he's teaching people that. He's kind of like a big brother, giving people advice. He's very authentic, he's very real. He's not really trying to do that fake YouTuber voice where he's being high strung and he's being loud and he's just being annoying. You know, his videos are just very chill. You can just listen to them while you're driving. It's like a podcast almost. It's so relaxing. This is what people want. This is what the viewers want. They want authenticity. They want to connect with a human being. They want to connect with you. YouTube, get it? The more you show your human self, the more you show your flaws, the more people will connect with you. So another YouTuber who is doing this is called Dry Creek Wrangler. Dry Creek Wrangler, I've talked about him before. He used to do videos about horses, but now he's doing videos more about just giving advice about life. He's this cowboy character and he has a beard. He's kind of like a grandpa to everyone. He's just providing them life advice. People are watching his videos and his videos are quite long, just like Sam Sulek, and they are watching it a lot. And what happens when someone's videos get watched a lot and they like and they subscribe and they comment? That video will go viral. So it is in your best interest to stay authentic and to tap into this new style of YouTube that is coming out, and it's going to keep growing even more. It's going to become even more popular. In 2025, oh, what can I say that, bro? 2025, everyone has a word that they stutter on. I don't know, I just stutter on T sometimes. Yeah, I'm a bit tired. I'm recording on Friday night after a long week of work. I work in tech, so I was looking at screens all week and now my eyes are tired and I'm just trying to focus and make videos for you guys. My name is Mahad. I am from 2Puzzle. This is a community of YouTubers that are trying to grow their channels. I provide all the knowledge that I learn and I'm applying it to my own channel. Let's make it to the top together. No pain, no gain. You fail to plan, you plan to fail. I'm here to provide value for the YouTuber community. If you want to grow your channel and you want to join this community, then all you have to do is hit that subscribe button. Have you done it? I'll give you a second. Are you done? You subscribed? Okay, let's carry on with the video. I was watching this other YouTuber who also doesn't I'll just keep hitting my mic, that also does this kind of authentic style as well. His name is Santiago Wepler. After work, he just comes home, he turns on his camera after he's finished his day job at the coffee shop, and he just talks about philosophy, mostly about how to improve yourself and his thoughts on life. And he does it in such an eloquent, amazing way, and he's such a good speaker that people really enjoy his videos and they are very chilled. And he doesn't even edit out the parts where he's like thinking about what he's about to say. He just barely does any editing. This is good news for you because I spend so much time editing. Every video I make, I spend like 3 hours editing. I know I don't want to edit 3 hours, but I just end up editing 3 hours, sometimes maybe even 4 if the video has a lot of graphics and stuff. But I'm trying to cut down on that. I'm trying to make my process a bit more streamlined. I'm adding automation in there as much as I can. I'm adding presets when I'm editing and I'm making templates, just making things easier for myself, but it still takes a lot of time. So the good news is that now with this new style of authentic YouTube, you don't really need to edit that crazy. You just need to do like simple cuts. That is just a dream. It's amazing, really. And you don't even need to hire some expensive editor. Like, you don't even need to spend that much money. You just need to edit very simply. So there's low time, low effort, low money. I don't know what you're waiting for. You can start YouTube now a lot easier than it used to be. Okay, so a lot of these YouTubers with low subscriber counts and very authentic videos are getting a lot of views. You can do this too on your channel. If this video has helped you out so far, let me know down in the comment section below if you have noticed this trend as well, if people are posting more authentic content, and if you've seen this basically around on YouTube. I've seen it myself a lot, but let me know if you have seen it down below. So let me know down in the comment section below. I'll read all of your comments. Okay, let's just summarize the video. I was talking about how YouTube is changing and it's becoming more authentic. It's going back to the old days. Low editing, low production value, no graphics, no nothing, and long videos. So this is what you can do on your channel as well. Apply this to your next video that you are making. Try to be more authentic. Try to be yourself. How you are when you're with friends and family. Just be like that. Talk very calmly. I'm trying to do this myself, but I still kind of like act a bit robotic a bit sometimes, but I'm trying to be more authentic. Okay, now my voice is going. Okay, watch this other video that I have made for you where this YouTuber actually found out a way to make money on their channel and they made a lot of money. Check out this video that I have made for you right here.